Step into the 2018 Toyota 4Runner. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.